Hey there, I'm Brandy, the Quilter on Fire, and I've got a brand new workshop called Hexies 4 Ways. Let's get into it. In this workshop, you will learn how to create hexagons 4 ways across your art piece. You'll start by choosing a gorgeous fabric that you absolutely love, and then a few coordinating fabrics to go with it. So what we'll be working on is Hexies 4 Ways. So let me show you how it goes across the quilt. You will learn how to do hexagons by machine, then we'll be doing hexagons by hand, which is English paper piecing, and then the third row here is Hexies, which is raw edge. The fourth row is Hexies stamping on fabric. We will be making that stamp ourselves. It is so much fun. You'll be able to choose a paint color of your choice. I recommend you start with a black or white paint, but you can use any color you like to coordinate with your fabrics. Once we have all of the hexagons in place, we'll be learning a quilt motif that really echoes the hexagons in a lovely way. I actually have the back open so you can see what it looks like on the back. So this is a class packed with techniques. It's all about Hexies and it's a whole lot of fun. Go to stitchinpost.com to sign up for Hexies 4 Ways today.